Hey everyone, in today's video we are diving into something that every Instagram marketer should know: how to use Google Analytics to track Instagram traffic. Instagram gives you some data, but if you want the full picture, what happens after someone clicks your link, you will need to bring GA4 into the mix. So let's break it down. Instagram shows you things like impressions and link clicks, but that's it. It doesn't tell you that what users do after they land on its site. Are they reading your content, buying your product, or just bouncing? That's where Google Analytics 4 come in. With GA4, you can track sessions, engagement, conversions, the full journey. But here's the catch: Instagram traffic isn't automatically labeled properly in GA4. Most of the time, Instagram visits just shows up as direct or unassigned. That's because Instagram doesn't always pass referrer data when links open in a mobile browser. So how do we fix that? UTM parameters. To track Instagram traffic the right way, you need to create UTM trigger link. Here's how you do it. Go to Google Campaign URL Builder, just Google it, it will pop up. Now fill in the fields: website URL, campaign source, campaign medium, campaign name, and term and content. Click generate URL and boom, your trackable link is ready. Now that you've got your UTM link, it's time to plug it into Instagram. If you are using a bio link, just paste the UTM version into your profile. If it's an Instagram ad, go to the ad setup and scroll down the website URL field, paste your UTM link there. This makes you sure that when someone clicks your ad or bio link, GA4 knows exactly where they came from. Head into Google Analytics 4, then go to reports, acquisition, then traffic acquisition. Now use the drop down to look at metrics like session source, session medium, source or medium, session campaign, session source campaign. This lets you see exactly how your Instagram traffic is behaving, how long they are staying, and what they are clicking, and if they are converting. You can also go to explorations to create custom reports, charts, or funnels to dig deeper. And that's it. That's how you use Google Analytics to track Instagram traffic the smart way. No more guessing where your traffic comes from or what it's doing. If this helped you, go ahead and give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more marketing tips like this.